Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to sort an URLs into sort codes in Downloader. So that's your AFTV news invented this URL Shortener, which allows you to potentially sorting a big massive non-URL into a nice little 5-digit code. So you can do this for any website you like, but I'm gonna do this with unlinked. As you see, I did create one earlier, but if I show you this, so if I now gonna unlinked URL and then do a copy, and then wherever it says enter URL to sort, right click on paste. I'm not a robot. You have to tick that. Click sorting. So now it brings me the URL code, and as you see, it's already been saved, because I did one earlier. But basically, we're gonna enter that code there in the Downloader app, folks. So as I said, you can make a code to redirect to any website you want. So once you created your code, just head on over on your FIRESTICK to Downloader, enter your code. So in my example, I created the code 78223, and you can feel free to use this code, guys. So feel free to use this code if you want to install the application known as Unlinked. Okay, once you typed your sort 5-digit code in, click on the play pause button. And how easy is that? It's now redirecting to that URL. And I didn't need to type in that full URL, folks. So how amazing is that, folks? Now let's say I want to type in a code and it automatically downloads the app without going into any page. Well, I can do that. All I need to do is go to this, right click on download and right app, click copy link address, go back into the AFTV news Shortener, I paste that one in, click I'm not a robot, click sorting. There's our code there, guys. So 31892, again, feel free to use that code. Back on the FIRESTICK, I go home, and then I enter that code now, which is 31892. Just like that, guys. It redirects me and it downloads that APK really amazing, guys. And it's connecting, it's downloading. And I can install it from here. So there you go. Now is how to shorten your else for downloader. Thanks for watching.